Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you what I learned after practicing English for 2 years. You heard right. Yes, I have been practicing this language for the last 2 years, and today I would like to share with you what type of challenges I faced and what mistakes I made and what method I used to improve my English faster. And at the end of the video, I would also like to give some advice to improve your English faster. Let's begin. First thing that I would like to share with you why I started learning this language. Actually, I wanted to learn and to speak this language since my school days. However, those days there was not such type of environment or applications. By using those applications, I could improve my English. But during the pandemic, when I quit my job, earlier I was working, I got enough time for myself and started learning this language. And who inspired me to learn this language? One day I was just scrolling through mobile and came across one conversational video, and that conversational video inspired me a lot to start my English speaking journey. Since then, I took the plunge and started this English speaking journey. I took multiple classes with tutors also. Now coming to the challenges, what type of challenges I faced during that 2 years. So I must say that I faced numerous challenges because I started my journey from scratch. And if I talk about my education, I completed my education many years ago, and there was a huge gap. And in that period, I never come across with any English stuff. So it was a very challenging for me to recall all the words and sentence structures. However, I was very determined to learn and to speak this language. I really burned the candle at both ends to achieve this level of fluency. And I must say that consistency plays a very important role. And when you have burning desire to learn something, so surely you find time for yourself to improve or to learn any skill or language. So in my case, I also did the same thing. And I truly believe that where there is a will, there is a way. And practice makes a man perfect. And when you have determination to learn anything in your life or to achieve anything in your life, no one can stop you to achieve that. In this way, I started my English speaking journey and faced numerous challenges because earlier I was not into reading, and later I came across and indulged myself into reading, listening, and writing also. Earlier, I was in dilemma. Which method should I follow to improve my English? Because when I came across with multiple tutors and after listening to their advice, I was confused sometimes, but I never gave up. I try to find my own ways to improve this language, and eventually I found that speaking part is must, and somewhere I was lacking. And when I rectify or analyze my mistake, I started working on it, and every single day I started speaking 2 to 3 hours every single day. And I noticed that I am improving day by day a lot. Now, coming to my mistakes, what mistake I made in my previous months or years. I feel that the biggest mistakes I made was a lack of speaking practice, because no matter how much content we consume every single day, listening, writing, and reading, rather than that, speaking part is must, because without speaking we can't gain fluency. So somewhere I was lacking speaking practice. Apart from that, I noticed that I started comparing myself with others. And when I watch others' video, I demotivated myself. But later, I realized that everyone's journey is different and I should never compare myself with others. And this way, I motivated myself and keep on going. And no matter how much challenges I have faced during those months or years. So I would say that as a human being, it is our nature to compare ourselves with others. But we should never demotivate ourselves by watching others' journey, because we don't know from where and from which background he or she belongs. Now let me share one of the biggest secrets that helped me improve my English, because everyone has their own way to improve their English. What worked in my favor, I would like to share with you. As I told you earlier that I have been learning this language for the last 2 years, and in that 2 years I came across with several advanced words and idioms, and I have made a proper notebook, and I have written every words and idioms with meaning. And whenever I have leisure time, I pick up 4 or 5 words or idioms in a day and try to frame many sentences. Some days I try to cook a story using those words or idioms, because I personally believe that this is really very good practice to learn vocabulary as well as sentence structures also. So you can also do the same thing, but here one thing is very important: repetition. Otherwise, after learning and spending lots of time, you will surely forget every words or idiom that you have learned over the period of time. So here I would suggest you that revise every now and then. In my case, I revise every second day, not every day. It is not possible in my case. So I have made a proper schedule. Some days I pick 4 to 5 words in a day, and the throughout the day I practice with those words while connecting with different learners, or I practice with myself also. Other than that, I started listening a lot. I listen really 1 to 2 hours every single day, because when we consume a lot, we can produce a lot also. As writing part is also very important, and I have been writing, and I must say that I am into writing for almost 1 year. At least one paragraph I try to write every single day. So because this practice is really very helpful to clear our tenses, because many of the learners make mistakes while speaking in their tenses. So when we are into writing, we can easily rectify our mistakes, and surely while speaking we would be very focused while speaking and try to avoid mistakes. And yes, reading part is also very crucial. At least 1 to 2 paragraph I read every single day, not more than that. But while reading, I am very focused. I try to observe the sentence structures, words, so that while speaking I can use not all, at least one sentence structure at a time. In this way, you can improve your listening, writing, reading, and speaking skill. So, in conclusion, I must say that following all the 4 pillars of learning English is extremely significant, but speaking is must. And when you are very consistent with this journey, no matter how much time do you give in a day, but be disciplined with that time, surely you can gain fluency one day. And never compare yourself with others, because everyone's journey is different. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Humming Space. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your patience.